Welcome to my humble abode. This is like where we stay when we're in New Zealand. This is the hut. I hate check luggage. I was waiting, thinking I'd lost it. Turns out it was on the wrong blinking one. After a wonderful week in Auckland with Mum, Gaz and Charlie the cat and doing some last minute shopping, we headed up north to Northland and I bought myself a hammock for my birthday. Mum and Gaz helped me set it up. Oh, so wonderful. Hello from the hut. This is like a very short video to show you, I'm halfway through tidying and unpacking, all that sort of stuff. Still things to do, but I thought I'd capture it now before it goes any further. So here's the hut itself. We have the shed. I finally found the key yesterday. It's in Lee's boot of all the weird places. Coming through. Lovely, well-stocked shelves with all of my stuff from Australia, the chia seeds and walnuts and nutritional yeast, etc. Put some in there, but I've also got a load of all the amazing stuff from Why Not, all my crackers, and miso soup, all that sort of stuff. Under there. There's my cooking facility. We don't have indoor running water by choice. It's not actually plumbed in. So we collect water from the tank outside. It's rainwater, put them in there. And I'm using Lee's mini soya water filter to filter the water to make sure it's all good. This water's not plumbed in. It goes into the chamber pot here that I then tip on the garden. Mirror, so this also acts as the bathroom. And here is the drying rack for our, for the dishes, etc. From Portugal and from Iran. As I said, still a work in progress. There's a sofa, bed. I'm not too sure where I'm going to put the blinking suitcase anyway. So I've just chucked a bit of my stuff there, and yay, the hammock box. Now I was doing some editing before. My dad came around for a coffee, which was lovely. So now we just pop outside. I've just put water here to get it ready for a shower. I'm going to have a warmer shower. And these are the seedlings that my mum had planted for me. Isn't that so kind? We brought them up yesterday from Auckland. Shed. It's still a work in progress. Got to get the fatso out. And I need to have a shower soon. I've got to cut the pangas, chairs there. But look at our shower at the moment. It's kind of like a wood pile / greenhouse. I've got to get into there. That's the shower tray. Trying desperately to charge some stuff, but as you can see, not a lot of sun today. She's pretty grey. And here is my wonderful hammock stand. Just put the plastic over it to keep it dry. And this is what I'm doing to keep stuff cold. I've got a chili bin, an esky, icebox. This is the hut cleanup, just getting the lawnmower up and running. Sticks a little bit. I'm sure Gaz can do it. That's why Gaz has to do it and not me. While Lee's not here. But it's going to look great. The Gazer is an expert lawnmower and he knows all the tricks to get these things started. Yep, throttle.
Oh, you bugger.
Yay, we have liftoff. Brilliant. Welcome to part of my New Zealand life. This is a skid, and yet we've got firewood going on here. Pine trees, loads of which fell down in a storm and a slip. And here's my dad, balancing precariously. Mind your footing, Dad.
Yes.
Are you going to say hello to the camera?
Hi there.
Yeah, and so...
What a fun job.
It is such a fun job. You'll notice there isn't much safety gear going on. Dad's got steel toe cap boots, that's it. But between the two of us, we've managed to cut quite a bit of firewood, clean up the pile, and it'll be all nice for a lovely cozy winter. Yay, this is the first meal cooked on the fatso, and I'm doing chickpeas. Thank you so much to my darling sister for showing me how easy they are to cook. It's hard to do that 100, but I'm just so pleased with myself. Got the fatso going. She's all cranked up nicely. Let's see if I can do this. Let some oxygen in. Get it burning brightly. And yay, it's going to be a lovely, healthy lunch/dinner. Just in case you're wondering about my lunches here at the hut, I am still managing off-grid to eat so incredibly well. These are like my salad components. Got a cabbage, carrot, don't know about you, I don't peel my carrots, I just wash them. Homegrown lettuce, and yes, it's 4 cloves of raw garlic. I mix them in with the sauerkraut and the capers to, like, you know, disguise the flavour. These are the delicious crackers I'm eating. I bought them from Why Not in Auckland. It was 3 packs for $5. They're normally like $5 or $6 each. Crazy. But so I've got a capsicum, red pepper, a tomato. These are my mung beans, homegrown mung beans, whole grain mustard, this incredibly delicious salad dressing. It's like a roasted sesame from Japan. Got the Bragg's apple cider vinegar and some extra virgin olive oil. And this, I absolutely love this so much. It is my beetroot and carrot, like grated together with some lemon juice and some balsamic vinegar. Oh, just so wonderful. Anyway, I'll show you the finished product shortly. This is the finished product. I've added sunflower seeds and almonds. I haven't added the dressings yet because it will look very different afterwards. But I just wanted you to see just how beautiful this looks. Oh my word, just a plate of healthy, delicious goodness. I'm so blessed. So I've just gone and added some nutritional yeast flakes for B12 and some veggie seasoning. And oh my word, it's going to just taste so delicious as well. So funny. I was out all day yesterday, got home late last night, so I didn't do the dishes. So of course today's the day. I have lots of visitors. Why is it always the way? And just look at how messy the kitchen is. Oh my word. So I've got beans cooking on the fatso outside. I'm going to do the dishes right now. The 3 hours cooking on the fatso. My beans are ready. Oh, I love black beans. Thank you so much to my darling Bliss, my darling sister, for teaching me how to make them. So I started off with 1.5 cups of soaked beans, and I put in 2 small onions and 5 cloves of garlic. So that was up for 2.5 hours. And then the last half hour, I've put in cumin, cayenne pepper, and a wee bit of salt and pepper. And oh my word, it looks lovely. I'm going to quickly taste it. Needs a bit more cumin. It always needs more cumin. But look at that. Look at the texture. It's so chocolatey. Yum. So here's today's delicious hut lunch. Starting at 12 o'clock up there, we've got cabbage, homegrown mung beans coming around with avocados and linseeds that I'd ground up the other day, sauerkraut with capers, and I've got 5 cloves of raw garlic tucked in there. And then we've got broccoli stems, red capsicum, homegrown lettuce, loads and loads of sunflower seeds sprinkled over top, and 3 types of dressing, a Japanese one, a plain balsamic, and also a lovely dressing that my stepmom made the other day. Delicious. And here we've got chickpeas that I'd made the other day on the fatso, and today I just added a tomato, an onion, extra turmeric, black pepper, and Chinese 5-spice for a laugh with nutritional yeast on top, with 2 of these delicious hemp protein rolls. Oh my word, this is like a veritable feast. Now, I had all these great plans to show you exactly how it looked, how beautiful it was, but this is my second to last day here, and it's in a total state of disarray because I'm like packing, getting ready to go back to Auckland, because I'm going to fly out on Saturday to begin a 60-hour epic journey, including 5 flights, to go from Auckland all the way to Lisbon to meet up with Lee again. I'll be seeing Lee Monday night, 8:30 in Lisbon. Yay! But this is our hut. Lucky horseshoe. It honestly, oh my word, I feel so embarrassed. If anyone came now, I would feel terrible. Look at it. This is the shower area. You'll notice no roof and no door. The door fell off years ago. We used to have sort of shower bags hanging up, but they always broke. So in the end, we've just reverted to a bucket. And I fill the bucket with cold water from the tank, and that's perfect. So that's how I do that. So now we come around. Over here is the skid where my dad and I have been doing firewood for the past 6 weeks. Helped me build up my muscles. And it was thanks to me doing firewood when we were here in 2023, February to May, that I developed like really nice biceps, and I was admiring them in my cousin's mirror in Sydney. That was when I saw the indentation, and that was how I got a mammogram and had the diagnosis of breast cancer. If it wasn't for the firewood, you know, firewood saved my life. Peach tree, almost right. I've saved these for like when my mum comes, because she's coming today. She's taking me back down to Auckland in a couple of days. Ah, there he is. Look at that. So wonderful. I had taken the other ones off and ate them, like ripened them myself. But this is a guava tree, red guava. And here are the two eskies behind. Esky being the Australian word for New Zealand chili bin, English icebox. Can't remember what you call them in America. I'm not too sure. But I've got these with ice packs from my dad and my lovely stepmom. Put ice packs and frozen bottles in here, and got loads of delicious things. Whoops, there's a little skink that just ran past, gave me a bit of a fright. That's the food one. And this one, my brother and my lovely sister-in-law's big esky, is for fruit and veg. And as you can see, the ice is still in from overnight. Bananas and lovely silver beet from my stepmom's garden. So I've been like so well looked after. It's been so lovely. An old bath with Lee's kayak hidden behind it. This is our water supply, 1,100 litres, which is so beautiful up there. Like, we used to have a hammock, but the crazy thing is, like, even if it's really hot outside, like in the sunshine, as soon as you go up into the native trees, it's so cold so quickly. And here, my friends, is the long drop. Is Lee's little bit of inspiration. Cast your votes here. So wow. So this is where we stay. Family land when we come to visit a family in New Zealand. Absolutely love it. I have very simple like needs and requirements and all that sort of stuff. I am not fancy. I am definitely, you know, like a country girl wearing like old shoes and these clothes here, and yeah, it's all about being relaxed, being comfortable, and just enjoying my beautiful, beautiful New Zealand. So lovely to be home. It's going to be a little bit sad to wave goodbye to it in a couple of days, but hey, I'm going to be back in January. Every January going forward. That's my plan.